Ever wondered how some students always seem to be ahead in school and college? They seem to have a secret edge. Today, we're revealing 7 dark psychology tricks that can help you excel like never before. These powerful techniques can make studying easier, improve your social life, and give you an advantage over your peers. Whether you're struggling with exams, wanting to impress teachers, or just looking to boost your confidence, these tricks will change the game for you. Ready to learn what they are? Stay tuned, because this is going to be a game changer for your academic life. Trick number 1, pacing and leading. Pacing and leading is a powerful psychological technique often used in communication and persuasion. It involves first pacing, where you match or mirror someone's behavior, tone, and pace to build rapport and create a sense of connection. Once this connection is established, you then lead by gradually changing your behavior, tone, or pace to guide the other person to follow suit. This technique is highly effective in academic settings for students aged 15 to 30. For instance, when collaborating on a project, start by aligning your communication style with your peers. If they are casual and relaxed, match their demeanor. Once rapport is built, subtly shift towards a more focused and goal-oriented approach, guiding the group towards productive work. Recent studies have shown that pacing and leading can enhance group cohesion and improve collective problem-solving abilities. This technique also works with teachers. By initially matching their communication style, you can create a favorable impression and then steer interactions to gain more support and understanding. Mastering pacing and leading can significantly enhance your influence and effectiveness in both academic and social settings. Trick number 2, priming. Priming is a psychological technique where exposure to certain stimuli influences how you respond to subsequent information or situations. For instance, if you're shown words related to success, you're more likely to perform better in tasks related to achievement. Recent studies show that priming can affect everything from decision-making to performance in academic settings. In a 2023 study published in Psychological Science, participants exposed to positive affirmations scored 20% higher in problem-solving tests compared to those who weren't. In school and college, you can use priming to your advantage by surrounding yourself with motivational quotes, images of success, or engaging with material related to your goals. This technique subtly boosts your confidence and prepares your mind for better performance. Additionally, priming works in social settings. If you're exposed to positive social interactions, you're more likely to interact confidently with others. Understanding and applying priming can give you an edge in both academic and social scenarios, helping you to achieve your goals more effectively. Trick number 3, authority influence. Authority influence is a powerful psychological trick where people are more likely to follow instructions from someone they perceive as an authority figure. This principle, rooted in social psychology, leverages the human tendency to respect and comply with individuals who have expertise, titles, or perceived higher status. For instance, a 2022 study found that students are more inclined to follow academic advice from professors or top-performing peers than from fellow students due to their higher perceived authority. This effect is amplified in digital environments where influencers and experts can shape opinions and behaviors. In college settings, using authority influence can be as simple as seeking guidance from well-regarded professors or successful students to improve performance. Additionally, aligning yourself with authoritative sources when presenting ideas or arguments can significantly boost your credibility and persuasive power. Understanding this trick can help you harness authority to gain respect, influence your peers, and achieve better academic and social outcomes. Trick number 4, subliminal messaging. Subliminal messaging involves sending signals below the threshold of conscious awareness, influencing thoughts and behaviors without direct recognition. This technique can be incredibly effective in educational settings. For instance, background music with embedded affirmations can enhance focus and retention while studying. Research shows that subliminal messages can alter mood and increase motivation, making them a powerful tool for students. These messages can be visual, auditory, or even emotional cues that trigger subconscious responses. Advertisers often use subliminal techniques to promote products, illustrating their effectiveness in shaping preferences. In a classroom or study environment, subtle cues can be integrated into presentations or study materials to reinforce key concepts. Moreover, students can use subliminal audio tracks designed for specific outcomes, like improving concentration or reducing anxiety. By embedding positive affirmations in daily routines, individuals can influence their mindset, enhancing self-esteem and academic performance. However, it's essential to approach this technique ethically, ensuring that the messaging aligns with the individual's goals and values. The impact of subliminal messaging, when used wisely, can be transformative, giving students an edge in their academic pursuits. Trick number 5. Emotional appeals. Emotional appeals leverage the power of emotions to influence decisions and behavior. By tapping into feelings such as fear, guilt, or excitement, you can sway others to align with your goals or preferences. In academic settings, using emotional appeals effectively can boost engagement and persuade peers or professors. For instance, expressing genuine enthusiasm about a project can make it more compelling, increasing your chances of support. Similarly, showing vulnerability or struggle in presentations can elicit empathy, leading to greater understanding and leniency from evaluators. Emotional appeals also play a crucial role in persuasive writing and speeches, where connecting with the audience's emotions often results in a stronger impact than factual arguments alone. Techniques such as storytelling, using vivid language, or sharing personal anecdotes are common methods to evoke emotions. By mastering these strategies, you can create memorable and persuasive communications that resonate deeply with your audience, thereby enhancing your influence and effectiveness in both academic and social contexts. Trick number 6. Framing. Framing is a psychological trick that influences how people perceive information based on its presentation. By strategically framing a message, you can alter its impact and interpretation. For instance, presenting an assignment as a unique opportunity for growth rather than a tedious task can increase motivation and engagement. This technique leverages the cognitive bias, where people react differently to the same information depending on how it's framed. In academics, framing can be used to shape perceptions of deadlines, grading, and feedback. Instead of saying, "You have a lot of work to do," reframe it as, "This work will help you master key concepts." This subtle shift can significantly affect attitudes and outcomes. Additionally, framing is crucial in communication with peers and instructors. By framing your requests or needs in a positive, constructive manner, you increase the likelihood of receiving favorable responses. Mastering framing involves understanding your audience's values and concerns, then tailoring your messages to align with those perspectives, ultimately influencing behavior and decisions. Trick number 7. Fear of missing out. FOMO. Fear of missing out. FOMO taps into the human psyche's inherent need for belonging and acceptance. It creates a sense of urgency and anxiety over missing out on important experiences or opportunities, which can drive behavior. In academic settings, FOMO can be strategically used to boost participation and engagement. For example, highlighting exclusive study groups, special lectures, or limited-time offers can increase students' motivation to join and excel. FOMO exploits the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine in response to anticipated gains, making it a powerful tool for encouraging action. It leverages social proof by showing others engaged in activities, reinforcing the idea that missing out could mean losing out on something valuable. In classrooms or online forums, creating an atmosphere of urgency around resources or opportunities can drive students to act quickly. By strategically deploying FOMO, educators and students can enhance involvement, ensure better academic performance, and foster a more dynamic learning environment. By harnessing these powerful psychological tools, you can stay motivated and engaged and take advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. If you found these insights helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Your support helps us continue creating tips and tricks to help you excel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more ways to master your academic journey.